Pure chaos is breaking loose today. We got forklifts running by. We got a train screeching on the tracks, but we're gonna have a great time doing this tour. It's a video that you guys have been recommending here for a while. I did it last year. I actually debuted it. The thing exploded. It's the 2027 Impression 36 BR3. So this is kind of like a 3-bedroom RV in a lot of ways. But they really use that back room a little bit different. So I'm really curious to see what you guys think. If you don't mind, I'm getting so close to 100,000 subscribers. I'm like 2 months away. If you guys could shorten that up with a sub, I would be forever grateful. It has been a goal of mine for 6 years to accomplish this, and it is right here. But like I said, 2027 Impression 36 BR3. If you're not familiar with Impression, it is a really, really nice brand. It's where, you know, kind of like quality and price kind of really start, you know, kind of hitting each other, where you get kind of the best of both worlds, where you get a good product without that inflated price quite yet. You're not paying for, like, you know, Italian cabinetry or anything of that nature. But this is gonna be your living room. So you have an oval style table right here. It allows you to not clunk up too much of the middle. So you can see you got plenty of walk-in room. You know, maybe you're accessing your oven, your microwave, your refrigerator. You got a little hidden storage back behind the TV. It looks like, so I see a latch right there. But it allows you the freedom to get moving on either side. And then right here to the left, you see that you have your sofa. So you're gonna get a couple cup holders. You do have a little bit of storage right here. By the way, this will be at the Hershey show. I will be at the Hershey show as well, so make sure to check that out. I don't know what dealership they're with, but I think it's worth your time checking out on your short list if you have kids. Emergency exit. Actually, you know, heck, do you see those little SpongeBob windows right there? Little submarine windows. Let me show you this back area, because if you guys haven't seen this before, that's more of a high value for you guys. Look at this back room. How interesting this is. I've never seen an RV like it. The first time I saw it, it blew my mind. You have some storage here up underneath. The heat ducting is right there as well, so you're gonna get good heat back here for the kids. And then you also have an AC back here as well. You're gonna get three 15K ACs. 2 are standard, but most people are getting it with 3, especially down south if you're down in like Texas or something. But you got a little hanging closet there. Maybe your kids are bringing their buddies. You got a little thin mattress, you know, I guess you could say, but it's better than sleeping on the floor there too as well. And you got a little privacy curtain. But look at this back room here. It's pretty darn cool. I don't know about you, but I've been playing a little bit of chess on that chess.com app. If anyone wants to play, actually drop a comment. I'll play as long as you're not that good. You got a little chessboard right there. Yeah, as long as I can beat you, I'd love to play with you. So if you guys are really good and you want to intentionally lose, I'm your guy, baby. But then each one comes standard with a TV as well. So pretty darn cool. It's a little different. Imagine just laying back, playing some video games, watching some Netflix, you know, at night, you're having a good time. I think people that are working on the road, this could work pretty darn good for a crew as well. And you can see this side is exactly the same there too as well. A little bit of storage. I'm not going to climb up in here. I'm 6 foot, 320 pounds. And just to show it, I don't think I want to do that. But you have this, you got that, you're ready to go. And then you have some curtains here that come across. And you notice the light back there as well. So good lighting. You got the night light. Got a little place for little furry guys. It's kind of cute. Look at that guy. Can hang out. And you got so much room for all of your stuff. It's pretty darn cool. And then you come back out here. You got your 18K chill cube refrigerator, or AC. So sorry, I said it was a 15K. But it is the 18K. But what do you guys think here of this living room? When you're not in the bedroom, now you got time where you can do a little bit of chilling. Now you're hanging out. You're doing all right. Like I said, the emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. Flip it over here. This is going to be your living room. They opted to not go with anchored down sound bars, so you can take these outside with you, or they got the Velcro straps, you know, when you're driving around. So I like that. They're portable. You know, who doesn't like that? You got options now. Fireplace to keep you nice and a roasty and a toasty. And then also it's got the favorite name for a TV, the old Sansui. And like I like to do, say it with me, baby. Sansui! Let's see here. There you go. It's a little sticky right there. I didn't like that. But you open that up, you got the automatic light, baby. This is where you hide all the weird stuff. Your friends that come over that you don't want to know. Oh, that was sticky. They got some killer magnets on there. I kind of like that for travel mode. So it's double latched. So that's pretty cool. All right. Right here is going to be your refrigerator. If you guys like cool food or frozen food, you guys are going to really like that feature. Comes standard in every model. And then you got a place where you can put, you know, some apple juice. If you like fermented grapes, that'd be a great place for it. You're hanging out, you're having a good time. If you have a drinking problem, you have more up there as well. So you guys are going to be covered. Impression really likes to leave an impression down at the campground. You know, you can be that funkle down at the campground, causing up all the noise. You got potato mode, you got pizza mode, and you got reheat mode. The only things you need in life, you are good to go, baby. 3 top burner to whip up all the fixins, along with enough room to cook a herb-crusted rack of lamb. Open this thing up, bada bing, bada boom. You are good to go. And this is where I'm talking about, you know, quality and kind of where pricing is meet up. This isn't a real, you know, backdrop. This is like a wallpaper right there. So you're not paying for anything too crazy. But I think we can all agree it looks really nice. It adds to it without, you know, costing you a paycheck. You know what I mean? Open up all these things. Let's see what we can talk about. As you can see, the conversation is quick, but it's deep enough to where you can actually fit a real plate, which I value quite a bit because I'm a real plate kind of guy. I'm a real plate kind of fella, you know? I've earned that stomach right there, baby. TikTok sink Arunski with your cup cleaner, soap dispenser, waterfall finish with the high-rise faucet. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Hitting those dishes from all angles. If you like to do dishes, this RV is not for you because it has a dishwasher, baby. 3 more pull-out drawers, again, as well, along with a couple, you know, plug-ins over here, the control for your chill cube, again, located right there. You also got a steamer stink sucker from whatever you're cooking right up there on the roof. And then you got the little light, nice little ambient to come down in the middle of the night, you know, get a little midnight snack. Maybe you're lighting up a candle for you and honey buns, setting the romance. You lock the kids in the back room, tie the belt around the handles, and you guys are good to go. You're having a good time. You got shoe storage. I know it because it's got that sticker, and I can read real good for an RV toursman. You also have your, what do they call that thing? A fuse box. So without the sticker, I didn't know what it was. They are because I'm friendly. You got 2 awnings, you got your slide outs, and then of course you can check all your tank levels, you know, and all that good stuff right there. Nice and easy peasy. Same one I got in my RV. I rather like it. You got your dimmer for that center light. So there you go. You know, after you lock the kids in there, you're good to go. If they're anything like my kids, you guys aren't getting any peace and quiet. You're not having dinner together. You're not dimming that down. Probably not. They're asking you if they can get 20 bucks or if you can drive them somewhere. Take them out on the e-bike. Who knows? I did just buy some e-bikes. I bought Trek. I had a lot of companies that offered to give them to me for free in return for reviews. And I was like, I don't want to do a review. And then I bought them and I was like, oh my gosh, e-bikes are awesome. Would you guys want to see an e-bike review? Be like a gift to Trek. You know, went from free bike offers, not from them necessarily, but from free bike offers to me spending like $6 grand. Now I'm about to do the video for free. I went the other way around. It's a bad way. It's a economically horrible decision. You got about 6.5 right there. You know, you're looking for the roundy rating. I'm going to give it 1.4. I think 1.4 me could fit in there. For the flat, not much higher. I'm going to say 1.6 because you have this little step stool. But it would be nice if you want to see some buttery smooth legs. You got a perfect place to do a little bit of shaving. Now, speaking of buttery smooth, you got a backlit mirror to show off the bowling guns, baby. Right here, the GFCI outlet. You can plug in stuff. You can wash your hands. And, yeah, you know what to do with the sink. And if you don't, you're not buying a camper anyway. Because you dumb. You real dumb. I'm in a weird mood, you know. It's been a while since I went out to an event and people flood you and all that, and they talk to you and they want to take pictures. You know, it's been since last show season, which is, you know, like 9 months ago or so. And then, you know, I go to the frog rally, you know, probably 100 people are stopping, saying they love my videos and taking pictures. But it does make your head weird. It doesn't make me cocky anymore, but it does make me, it does change the old brain chemistry a little bit. My brain feels about the size of a bowling ball and maybe the density of one too. But it's been pretty cool. It's been a fun experience. I like this dresser right here. You got a place to put all your stuff so you're covered. And then I don't know what this is, but yeah, you could tie your shoes there. Another emergency exit. And then you got the washer and dryer prep. I think I pointed that out. And then your TV backer location is right there as well. The bed is on a VersaTilt. So you notice how there's a little bit more room right now. I don't even think it's fully loaded up there. And then you have flip-up countertops and plug-ins on either side too. But all right, guys, you have to let me know what you guys think. Now we're going to head around On the outside here real quick, this is where the tour starts speeding up. If you guys are new to the channel, you know, hit that subscribe button for me, like they like to say. I'm about to get that silver plaque from YouTube, baby. Pretty excited. I'm gonna put that thing up in my office. I'm gonna take my family out on a nice steak dinner that I cook on the Blackstone, because we're not rich, but I like steak. All right, so 2027 Impression 36 BR3, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, and a couple of tools that'll maybe help you do a little shopping, like a dealer locator or something, will be down there as well. But man, you got the Lippert, the Rhino box, so pretty basic there. They're not spending any extra money, but that's okay. It's what I've got. And honestly, I don't think I would really care to pay for anything extra. I think mine's just fine. That front area is locked, but pretty basic up there. It's got a spare tire and whatnot. Solar charge controller. So you have 200 watts of solar on all Impressions. You can wire it up to 500 if you want to go ahead and add in some more. You can see that aluminum frame construction as well, with like the thermofoil wrap there too. If you guys like to crack a couple cold cans of apple juice, standard, baby. But if you're buying this, you already have about 12 bottles above the fridge and the microwave. You might not have room for brewskis. The composite steps, you got dual awnings for dual shaded areas, which I think that's nice. And a high glass fiberglass exterior. I mean, look at the truck right there in the reflection. High gloss. 125 lifetime warranty on the tires itself. You're gonna have to look up, that's Lion's Head, so you want to make sure that you see the program there, because it's not actually like lifetime, but you know what I mean. 2 refrigerators. And then heading around on the back side, you got the towing package, so you're gonna have a 3,000 pound tow rating, 300 pound hitch rating there too as well. And then you got your backup camera prep. You got a little bit of storage. Yeah. 4-way pin connection down below, and you even got a place for the old stinky slinky. I don't see myself actually using that. I don't use mine. I just think it makes it kind of hard. Plus you're pulling a poop tube down there. I just put that thing in a Tupperware box, and you know, hopefully one day I'm rich enough to hire somebody else out to do it, because I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Don't love the location there of the tanks, but you can get under there, or the valve, you can get under there just fine. The reason why it's sitting like that is because you got the little Y valve there, but I usually take care of that once the slide's closed out anyway, unless I'm on a long trip, and then, you know, it is what it is. You're already hooked up, you're ready to go. You got the 60K, so that's interesting. Didn't know they were using that. Most of them are using the 45, so it's nice to have the 60, so you can get this thing up to an uncomfortably hot water situation pretty darn quick. They're using the same system on like 45-foot destination RVs. You have the hot and cold water access, fresh water connection, city water connection, your different inlets right there with your cable hookups, you know, and all of that. Propane over here behind this door. And that about wraps it up, guys. 2027 Impression 36 BR3. I hope you guys like it. Hope to see you guys next time. Have a great day. See ya. Mama, if you're watching, I love you.